Hello everyone, welcome to Foodie Mom. Today I am sharing bold natural eyebrow tutorial in 1 minute. It takes 30 seconds each with one brow. When you are used to it, I am showing just one brow to show you how important is it to groom and beautify brows. I am using PS brow pencil, which comes with brow pencil, powder and a spoolie. Comb your brow with spoolie. Using brow pencil, make outline with light hands and we'll be just filling gaps. My color is dark brown. Don't overdo, just fill in the gaps. We want natural looking eyebrow. With lightest hand strokes, make illusionary brow as if they are hair. You can use concealer to be more clean and precise, but I avoid. I just want my eyebrows to look natural. Now using the spoolie to remove extra. Now I'll be using brow powder for touch up and giving more depth to my eyebrows. Use spoolie again to dust off extra. Look at the difference between the two brows. How beautiful my groomed eyebrow looks than the other. I hope you liked this small tutorial. Subscribe, like and comment and share with your friends. Thank you.